So my niece Nora asked if I could do a hairdo video to show her how to do Harley Quinn's hair. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna need a comb like this, something that you can part with, okay? And then your wet brush. And we're gonna need 2 hair ties. They don't have to be this small. You can find whatever you have around the house, but we're gonna wanna have 2 holders here, okay? So we're gonna wanna brush our hair. Get all those little tangles out of the ends. Brush, brush. And then let's part down the middle. And then we're gonna part all the way down to the back of our head. Let's see. You might have to have a friend help you out to make sure it's straight. Okay. I hope that's straight. We're just gonna throw this guy over to the side. Get him out of the way for a sec. Then we're gonna take this section and we're gonna brush, and you're gonna wanna keep pulling this hair up. Like brush higher and higher. Okay. Brush, brush. Keep brushing your hair. I could brush this guy in too for a sec. Whoop, lost a couple guys. Keep brushing till you get all those bumps out. It's nice and smooth. Does that look smooth? I hope so. Okay, so I think she has some bangs that she pulls out. So if you don't have bangs, you can pull some longer piece. I think she's got a little longer piece that hangs like that. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to that guy. Grab your little hair tie. We're gonna just do a little ponytail on the side. Pigtail, I mean. Oh, that is cute. Okay, so same thing on this side. I'm gonna take our hairbrush. And we're brushing up, up, up. Ooh, arm workout. Okay. Let's grab our little front pieces. All right, and you can pull it a little bit to make it tighter. Pull this guy up a little bit more. How we looking, Nora? I think this is pretty close, yeah? We just need some color in our ends. Whoops, forgot a guy. We'll just comb him in there. There we go. You know, I bet you could get some those hair crayons and get them on your ends. That would be super fun. All right, hope that was fun. Hope that was helpful. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. All right, see you later. Bye.